Hello everyone and welcome back to another In the Kitchen video. Today we are going to be making a peanut butter cake. You're going to need, for the cake part, and then I'll share the icing part when we get to that part. But for the cake batter itself, you're going to need 1 cup of water, 4 eggs, half of a cup of creamy peanut butter, a yellow cake mix, half of a cup of softened butter. You're also going to need, now this is for the icing portion of it, you're going to need some powdered sugar, and you're also going to need some vanilla extract, milk for the icing part. So I'll share more details on that when we get there. But first, let's jump right in and start making our peanut butter cake batter. I already put my yellow cake mix in the bowl. So next, I'm going to add my cup of water, half of a cup of butter, and a half a cup of peanut butter. Since I'm taking this dish to my mom's for Christmas, I'm going to put it in this foil pan with lid. I've sprayed this with non-stick. Go ahead and preheat your oven 350 degrees. And you're going to cook the cake until you can stick a toothpick in the center of it and it come out clean. So until it's done. Level your pan out. After you've leveled your pan out, you're now ready to bake your cake until it's done. The cake is now done. The knife come out clean. It's completely cooked. Note, this takes a little extra time to bake for whatever reason, and the edges did get a little, so I'm going to kind of cut those off, and I'm going to let this cool completely overnight, and we'll be back tomorrow to icing it. It smells delicious. Now on to the icing part. I've already placed 3 cups of powdered sugar in my bowl. I done this off camera. I don't want the dust from the sugar to get on my camera. I'm also going to mix this off camera because I don't want the dust to get on my camera. And there's 3 cups of powdered sugar. You're going to need a half of a cup of softened butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a half of a cup of creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, and if the icing is too thick, not the consistency that you want it personally, you can always add more milk as needed. This recipe also calls for a pinch of salt, but if you use salted butter, skip that. And off camera, I'm going to mix this up. After mixing up all the ingredients, I will tell you the only thing that I done post mixing is I added a half more tablespoon of milk, mixed it again, and it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. It is a thick peanut butter icing, and this is probably one of my favorite, best buttercream icings I've ever made, and it's delicious. So let's get on to icing our cake. I still cut off the edges of the cake as well. And we are done. I'm done icing in the cake. The cake is ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this peanut butter cake and peanut butter icing recipe. Let me know if you try it in the comment section below, or have tried this recipe in the past. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more In the Kitchen recipes. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already, and there'll be additional links as well as an In the Kitchen playlist in the description box below and in the cards. Thank you so much again for watching.